Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are going to see few more multiple choice questions from the lesson polynomials. This year CBSE has decided to ask 20 multiple choice questions, and each question will be of 1 mark. So out of 80 marks there will be 20 marks for the multiple choice questions. So let us practice more and more for the multiple choice question. So here is the first question on the screen, that if the zeros of the polynomial 5x square minus 7x plus k are reciprocal of each other, then find the value of k. Friends, this is not x, this is k. So here we have to find the value of k. So here the given equation is 5x square minus 7x plus k. We know that the sum of the roots is given by minus b upon a, and the product of the roots is given as c upon a. So if you take sum of the roots, it will be minus b upon a, so it will be 7 upon 5, and so there will be not be k in that equation. So we will take the product of the roots, it will be k upon 5, so k upon 5, and therefore there will be k in the equation, so we will take the product of the roots. So let us see, if the first 0 is alpha, then the another 0 will be 1 upon alpha, because it is said that the zeros are reciprocal of each other, and so their product will be alpha into 1 upon alpha, which is equal to c upon a, that is k upon 5. K upon 5. Now it's very easy to solve. Alpha and alpha will get cancelled. You take 5 to the other side and you will get k is equal to 5, and so the value of k is 5. So friends, the option D will be the correct option, so it is 5. Now the another question is on the screen. If the sum of the zeros of the polynomial kx square plus 2x plus 3k is equal to their product, then find the value of k. See friends, here what is said, that the sum of the roots of the given polynomial, that is alpha plus beta, that is equal to alpha beta. It is said that the sum of the roots is equal to product of the roots, and this is the equation. Sum of the roots is what? Minus b upon a, so it will be minus 2 upon k, minus 2 upon k, which is equal to product of the roots, that is c upon a, so it will be 3k upon k, so it is 3k upon k, and so here k and k will get cancelled. So if you take k to this side and 3 to the other side, so k will be equal to minus 2 upon 3. So the value of k you are getting as minus 2 upon 3. So the second option is correct, that is B is correct, minus 2 upon 3. Here is the next question. Write the polynomial, the product and the sum of whose zeros is minus 9 by 2 and minus 3 by 2 respectively. The product is minus 9 by 2 and the sum of the roots is minus 3 by 2, and we have to write the polynomial. So friends, here we will write it. Remember, simple polynomial, that is x square minus sx plus p. Here s stands for the sum of the roots and p stands for the product of the roots, that is alpha beta. So this is the sum of the roots and this is the product of the roots. Now here sum of the roots is minus 9 by 2, so we will write it as x square minus, and this minus 9 by 2, that will be plus 9 by 2 x plus p, that is product of the roots, the product of the zeros is minus 3 by 2, so this will be minus 3 by 2. Now multiply by 2 to each term and you will get the equation. So it will be 2x square plus 9x minus 3, and so the required equation is 2x square plus 9x minus 3, and therefore the correct option is 2x square plus 9x minus 3. That is the A option will be the correct option. The next question, question number 4 is, if one zero of the polynomial x square minus 3x plus 1 is 2 plus root 3, write the other zeros. Now here, friends, it is given that the polynomial is x square minus 4x plus 1, and the one root, let that be alpha, is 2 plus root 3, and we know the other root, let it be beta. And we know that the sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, that is equal to sum of the roots is minus b upon a, so it will be minus 4 will be 4 upon 1, so it will be 4. But out of that, alpha is 2 plus root 3, so it is 2 plus root 3 plus beta, which is equal to 4. And therefore, if you take 2 to the other side, so it will be 4 minus 2 will be 2. So beta, that is equal to 2 minus root 3. And therefore, the other zero of the polynomial will be 2 minus root 3. And therefore, the D option is correct, 2 minus root 3. Here is the fifth question on the screen. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 2y square plus 7y plus 5, write the value of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Very simple question it is. So we can solve it as the given equation is 2y square plus 7y plus 5. And now this is sum of the roots and this is the product of the roots. So alpha plus beta, that is minus b upon a, so it will be minus 7 upon 2, minus 7 upon 2, plus alpha beta, that is c upon a, that is 5 upon 2. So here 2 will be the LCM, and minus 7 plus 5, that will be minus 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled and you will get it as minus 1. And so alpha plus alpha beta, that is equal to minus 1, and so the correct option is C, minus 1. Now here is the sixth question. If 4x square minus 6x minus m is divisible by x minus 3, then the value of m is exact divisor of what? 9, 45, 20 or 36. So friends, here the given equation is 4x square minus 6x minus m, and is divisible by x minus 3, so x is equal to 3, and so we can find p of 3, that is equal to 4 into 3 square minus 6 into 3 minus m, that is equal to 0. And so 4 into 9, that will be 36, minus 6 3s are 18, minus m is equal to 0. If you take m to the other side, it will be plus m. So 36 minus 18 will be 18. So m is equal to 18, and this 18 is exactly divisible by 4, and therefore A option is correct, that 9. Friends, here is the question number 7. If p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c and a plus c is equal to b, then one of the zeros is b upon a, c upon a, minus c upon a, or minus b upon a. So here it is given that a plus c is equal to b. It means that x is equal to minus 1. If we put the value of x as minus 1, then minus 1 square will be 1 and it will be a. And here if you put the value of x as minus 1, then it will be minus b plus C, that is equal to 0, and if you shift B to the other side, you will get A plus C is equal to B. It means A plus C is equal to B suggests that X is equal to minus 1. Then one of the zeros is what? So X is equal to minus 1, that is 0 is given as minus 1 to you, and we have to find the other 0, that is beta. So we know that alpha beta is equal to C upon A. Alpha beta is equal to C upon A. So C will be what? C upon A. But alpha is minus 1. So it will be minus 1 into beta is equal to C upon A. And so beta that will be equal to minus C upon A. So the other root will be minus C upon A, and so the correct option is C minus C upon A. Here is question number 8. If the product of the zeros of x square minus 3kx plus 2k square minus 1 is 7, then find the value of k dash and dash. So here the given equation is x square minus 3kx plus 2k square minus 1, and it is said that the product of the roots is 7. So product of the root, that is C upon A, so it will be 2k square minus 1 upon A1, so that is equal to 7. Take minus 1 to other side, so it will be plus 1, so k square, 2k square is equal to 8, and so 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, so k square is equal to 4. Taking square root of both the sides, we will get k is equal to plus minus 2, and therefore the correct option will be A, plus minus 2. So the A option is correct, plus minus 2. Here is the question number 9. If x plus a is a factor of 2x square plus 2ax plus 5x plus 10, then find A. Now here the given equation is 2x square plus 2ax plus 5x plus 10, and x plus a is a factor of this polynomial, then x is equal to minus a will be satisfied by this equation, and so put the value of x as minus a, so it will be 2 into a square plus 2a into minus a, so this will be minus a bracket square plus 5 into minus a plus 10, that will be equal to 0. So this will be 2a square, this will be minus 2a square plus minus 5a plus 10 is equal to 0. So this 2a square and 2a square will get cancelled. So minus 5a, that is equal to minus 10. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, minus minus will be cancelled out, and so a will be equal to 2, and so a we are getting as 2, and the correct option will be A, that is 2. Friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe the channel so that the notification of newly uploaded video will reach to you and you will not miss any of the video. So thank you very much for watching this video.